How are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, have you ever been on hormone replacement therapy before?
I have not. No.
And you're currently on hormone replacement now?
I am currently on hormone replacement, yes.
And how long have you been on therapy for?
Since December 2020. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's been 4 months.
4 months?
Yeah.
And what kind of treatment are you doing?
I did GainsWave
Okay.
and a pshot, which I just got today.
Okay.
So it's absolutely fantastic.
Fantastic. What about hormones? Are you doing injections or pellets?
We actually did both. We did
Okay.
shots a couple times and the pellets today again, second time. So it's been absolutely great. Really,
Right.
really good.
So how are you feeling overall?
Well,
Since the beginning
listen,
to now.
I'm 50 years old, but I feel like 25. I really do.
That's
So
awesome.
it's been a great thing. I think anybody should definitely do this. It's something that kind of brings you back to life.
How about your sex life? How has that?
Well,
improved?
she seems to be very happy.
That's what it's all
And
about,
that's what it's all about. So she's extremely happy, and things are really good. I mean, I can't complain. Things are absolutely fantastic.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
With the GainsWave treatment,
Yeah.
was there any pain with the GainsWave?
With the GainsWave, no, absolutely no pain. It's painless. It's very, very quick even. It's not a big deal.
Uh-huh.
Really not.
What about with the pshot? Did you have any pain with the pshot?
With the pshot, no, not really. I mean, they numb you and everything. It's pretty cool. It's really painless. It's nothing. I mean, I'm not good with pain, so it was good.
Good. From function prior to the GainsWave and pshot, how is your functionality now? Is there a big improvement?
Like from 1 to 10?
Yeah.
I say 10.
And where were you prior to your treatment?
Probably like 4.
4?
Yeah.
So big improvements. How many treatments did you have of the GainsWave?
I had 7. 7 sessions. Yeah.
Did you see improvement in orgasmic strength?
Actually, yes. That actually, I was thinking about that. Yes, it did make a difference when I was taking it.
Okay.
It was much more sensitive. Yeah.
Much more sensitive?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Anything you'd like to add?
No, I will say that I don't, I know I should recommend this to everyone that doesn't feel 100%. This is a good thing for men and women.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're quite welcome.